Did you know there's a cat with legs so short it looks like it's always in sneak mode? Sounds crazy, right? Let me tell you about it. This is the Munchkin, and it's tiny, fast, and full of surprises. Here's the cool part. Those little legs don't slow them down at all. They zoom, climb, and bounce like furry rockets. Total chaos, but in the cutest way possible. Munchkins are playful, super friendly, and love being around people. They're like kittens, forever. Seriously, isn't that amazing? With their stubby legs, big personalities, and non-stop zoomies, Munchkins might just be the coolest cat ever.